Today, we're going to open the Accio monthly subscription boxes for March and April 2021. So I'm a little behind on filming some of my boxes, so I just received the April box in the mail yesterday, and the March one I've had for a little bit, but honestly I just didn't have time to film it for you guys, so I figured today we'll just try to film them together. And when we get to the Geek Gear boxes, I'll probably have 3 to open for you guys because it's, like I said, I'm just behind on it. I felt like the DIY videos and stuff were more important than getting these out, so enjoy a double opener for you. Okay, so we're going to get into the March box first. I honestly don't know what the theme of this is. I feel like one of these 2 boxes might be a house-themed box, but I'm just not sure. So we're going to go ahead and get in here. If there is any house-related items in these boxes, they will be Ravenclaw because that is my house. So let's get in here. We have black tissue, so that usually means that there's no house-specific items in here, so maybe I'm wrong. So let's see. Oh, we got a heavy box. Let's see what we've got in here. Thick, heavy cardboard. Let's see. Oh. Oh. We got a little flue powder jar, and it has a spoon, very similar to the ones that we made here. That's a cute little label. Let's see. It says flue powder, 2 sickles per scoop, accept no substitutions, trusted in magical homes since 1264, Ignatia Wildsmith's original recipe. And then it's got like the little wooden spoon, like I said. Yeah, this is a really nice little jar, especially if you don't have a jar to make flue powder in, and I don't mind this label, but if you didn't like this label, you definitely could take it off, and mine's up for a download. I think a couple other people have a download of the flue powder label, but yeah, this is a really nice little bottle, so that's fun. And let's see. Ooh, what is this? Oh, is this like a little wallet? Okay, it says Department of Magical Transportation, and it's got this little, it says DMT logo with like a little chapter star on there, and it's got a snap. Oh, I don't know if you would use this to like hold cards or you could put pictures in it, but that's really clever. Definitely could use that as like a little wallet or something to hold like your credit cards or park passes, anything like that. So yeah, that's super cute, and it feels like it's made pretty decently. It's got a nice leathery feel to it. Okay, we got a shirt, and their shirts are awesome. They are super, super soft. Let me get this out of all of the wiggly worms. I love this purple. Let me open this up. Okay, so I wasn't sure what this logo was until I saw this on the sleeve, and it's a night bus shirt. Oh, so cute, and it says conductor, and I think there's an image on the back. Emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard to all destinations. Nothing underwater. Just stick out your wand arm. That is super cute. So it's like a little night bus staff shirt. And I really like the purple heather color. That's nice. Oh, I think we got a pin. So I'm thinking that this is magical transportation, potentially, because we've gotten flue powder. We got the little magical transportation booklet, the night bus shirt, and I think this is a toilet pin. So we've got the seat to a toilet, I believe, and it says ministry this way with the little swirling glittery enamel to take you to the ministry. So funny and so gross all at the same time. That's super funny. Okay, and I think it looks like we have a print left. If I can get it out of the box. And the cheat sheet. Okay. This is a really cool print. So it's like the blueprints for the Nimbus 2000 for maybe like the patent department. So it says August 1991. D. Whitehorn is the proprietor. Nimbus Racing Broom Company, Nimbus 2000. And it says 12,142,001. And it has ministry approved little logo here. And then it just has like all the drawings for the broom and the little numbers that I'm sure would coordinate to something. And then it's signed by Cornelius Fudge. That's a really clever print. I like that a lot. Very fun. Doesn't really match my decor, but I like that print. It is very cool. So I think that's it. Let's get to the cheat sheet. And I was right. It is magical transportation. It says there's no shortage of efficient ways to get around in the magical world. And more than once, we have found ourselves running late and wishing we could simply hop into the fireplace or spin around once and instantly be transported to our destination. While we can't give you magic powder or a flying broomstick, we can give you a box of magical goodies curated around the many modes of magical travel in the series. Use them well and remember to speak clearly. So we have the Bus Conductor Super Soft Tea, the Ministry Travel Wallet, the Flu Powder Replica Bottle, and it looks like the label was designed in-house. And then we have the Ministry Commute Enamel Pin, and we have the Nimbus Blueprint by the Patent Office. So, very, very cool. I actually think that's a very fun, different box, especially for magical transportation. I think they did a nice job of incorporating all the different ways, besides apparition, obviously, that you can travel in the Wizarding World. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, I like this box, and now we're going to go ahead and get into the April box. All right, so now we have the April 2021 box. So let's get on in this one. Oh, and there is blue tissue. So there should be some Ravenclaw items in this box. Okay. Lots of wiggly worms. Oh, we have, I think these are socks. Yes, okay. Ooh, good Ravenclaw colors. Let me get these out of the package. Okay, these are really nice Ravenclaw Quidditch socks. And the colors on this are perfect. I love that these are just regular socks. They're not knee-high socks and things like that. I have larger calves, and I find that knee-high socks just suck. I don't like them at all. But regular socks and little ankle socks are awesome. So these are really cool. I love the little Ravenclaw Quidditch logo with the two brooms and the stripes. These are really nice. And these are very soft and seem like a nice high-quality knit sock. Oh, I think we got sunglasses. Hang on, let's see. Okay, these are so cool. So we have a Ravenclaw sunglasses, which I don't know that I've ever seen. They're this really nice navy blue color, and then it has a little Ravenclaw eagle here on the side. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the lenses are really nice, and they are UV protected. So they've got polarization and things like that, I believe, in there. But these are really well made. I am a tiny bit bummed, though, because I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. But there is a scratch already on the lenses. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to catch it. But they're still really nice. And I can't wait to wear these in the Wizarding World. So I don't know if any of you know about the Orlando Informer events that happen at Universal Studios. But I will actually be attending the June Orlando Informer event. So if you are going to be there, I will be there and might try to meet up with a couple people, but I can't wait to wear these in Florida. These will be super cute. And they're Ravenclaw, which is even better. So that's awesome. Oh, we got some of the Wizards chocolate. Okay, so the last time I got one of these in, it was a Geek Gear box, and I believe it was just the standard chocolate. I gave it to my sister because it's soy-free. And she said she really didn't care for it very much. So this is a vanilla chocolate, so I'm kind of curious how this one is. Maybe the flavored ones are a little better because these are vegan-friendly, palm oil-free, dairy-free. They're made in Britain, and this one is plant-based, and it is vanilla chocolate. So I am going to try this one. The packaging, though, on these is just so stinking cute and seems very magical. So I am curious to try this, but yeah, like I said, my sister didn't really care for the first one, but maybe this one will be a little bit better since it's a flavored chocolate. Oh, it looks like I think we've got a black shirt, but the wiggly worms looks like they shed all over this black shirt quite a bit. So let me pull this out, but it looks like it's got Hogwarts on it. Yeah, see how dirty it is? Let me see if I can get this off here. Okay, I did brush as much of that off as I could, but this shirt is super cute. So it says, no matter what house you're in, you are home, and it has the outline of Hogwarts. That is a very cute shirt, and I love that it's black, and it's simple, but that is really, really cute. Especially for a house-themed box, I think it's great to have just an overall Hogwarts piece. And again, their shirts are awesome. Ooh, oh, cool. They gave us a little Ravenclaw Letterman jacket style R that is super cute, and it feels just like the ones you would have gotten on like a varsity jacket. Okay, I really like this. I mean, you're going to have to put that on a bag or a jacket or something, but that is really cute. Very cool. And I don't know. I don't think it's iron-on. I think this is going to be one we're going to have to stitch on, but that is really cute. Loving how well they did the blue and bronze for Ravenclaw because I feel like we always get the shaft. Oh, cute. We got a little sticker. Go Eagles. Very nice. Oh, what is this? Ooh, is this a bag? Okay. Oh, yeah, cool. We got a little canvas drawstring style bag that's got this really nice gold and blue watercolor style print on here with our little eagle. And it's the right kind of eagle. It's not a bald eagle. I hate it when they put a bald eagle with Ravenclaw. It's not a bald eagle. It's a brown eagle. It's not a bald eagle. And this is super cute. And it's not a raven either. So it's really nice that it is the correct animal with the correct colors. This is really cute. And this is really nice to like take and go shopping and things like that. Like these drawstring bags, super nice. And this is a really good size too. Okay, I really like that. They hit this one out of the park. I feel like for a house-related box, this was all very different items. And they did a really good job with the colors. Okay, I think that's it. So let's see what the cheat sheet says. And it is, in fact, the House Pride box. So it says, whether you're a badger, eagle, lion, or snake, your house is amazing and worthy of pride. This month, we celebrate the 4 houses with a selection of gear themed around where the hat puts you, while also acknowledging that it takes all of us, the wise, the brave, the cunning, and the loyal, to come together and fight for what's right. Be proud and keep spreading the Lumos. Love that. That's a great message. So we have the house mascot cotton backpack, and it looks like it obviously had whatever representation your house has. So I'm sure it had a badger on it for Hufflepuff, and it has a lion obviously for Gryffindor, a snake for Slytherin, and an eagle for us Ravenclaws. And then we have the house shield sunglasses, and these were all obviously in your house color with your little house emblem on the side. And I love that. We have the little Accio Box exclusive House Pride pennant sticker. Super cute. And obviously it said go Badgers, go Lions, go Snakes, or go Eagles in your appropriate colors. We have the Wizard Sports striped socks, which obviously is Quidditch. And that obviously came in one of your house colors, and those are all really cute. The green on the Slytherin does look a little bright, but it's not bad. But I do love, they hit the nail on the head with the Ravenclaw for sure. But then we have the varsity letter chenille patch. Okay, so I want to read the little blurb about the patch here. So it says, wouldn't it be neat if you could earn a varsity letter in magical subjects and extracurricular activities, just like you can in the non-magical world? Well, now you can. Sport this patch on your favorite jacket and you'll feel like you've just graduated top of your magical class. Keep an eye out soon for some items in our shop to help you customize this patch to your own magical academic experience. Made just for our subscribers, so you won't find these anywhere but Accio. So that's really cool. I kind of hope that they have one that says potions, because I would most definitely put this Ravenclaw R with potions or something like that on there. So I'm curious to see what they do with that. I'll have to keep close to my emails from Accio. And I follow them on Instagram. If you guys don't, I highly recommend it. I tried to avoid the spoilers, but a lot of really good information on there. And then finally, we have the House Unity tee designed by Lauren Fairweather. So, really cute. I love this t-shirt. It's super soft. And then, they didn't even mention that they gave us the Wizard's chocolate. So that was just kind of a little bonus in the box. So, yeah, I think this was a really good box. I think it was a really great house-themed box. I thought the little magical transportation box from last month was really good. The box before that was Owlpost, was awesome. I absolutely adore the little stamp and the shirt and everything else we got with that one. And the cards they sent were super, super cute. So I think Accio has been hitting it out of the park lately. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What was your favorite item? Do you guys think these were good boxes? I think they did a really nice job with all of the different pieces for house-related items. I have never seen sunglasses in any of these boxes. I definitely have never seen any of these little varsity letters. And I think these Quidditch socks are super cute. I love, again, that they are not like a super long sock that is not good for all body types. But yeah, let me know. I will try to be a little better about opening these boxes a little bit more frequently. But I feel like, again, that the DIY videos are more what you guys come here for. So I want to make sure that those take precedent over the boxes. So like I said, you will have a multiple box unboxing for Geek Gear coming up here soon as well. But I wanted to at least throw these two up here for you for those of you who don't get the boxes, who would maybe like to enjoy what Accio does include in their box, as well as Geek Gear when I open those. And that's going to be it. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.